And as you can see here, this rainbow fidget gives powers to those who are trustworthy and will take away powers from those who abuse it. Ah, I see what you mean. Yeah, well, regardless, I just hope it doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Yeah, you and me both. Yeah. So, why did you want to ask me about the rainbow fidget anyhow? I was talking to FireLavaOven yesterday, and he explained to me about the rainbow fidget, and then he also explained about that dice there. I see. Now I understand. So if you knew what happened to the rainbow fidget, why ask me in the first place? I wanted to see who described it better. I see. Well, regardless, I think it's safe to say that this rainbow fidget and the dice could fall into the wrong hands. Yeah, you're telling me. For all we know, there are one or two villains out there who want to take it. Yes. And I think that General Underverse, I think he calls himself, will want to take it. Is that right? Well, regardless of who General Underverse is, we might as well want to keep an eye out. Yeah, you're telling me. In any case, right. So, Jem, you and I will look after the dice and the fidget. Good idea. And you, Cedric, go and find FireLavaOven. Inform of the situation. Good idea. Right there. Oh, yeah, Cedric. Yeah. So, I've been telling that Jem and Dawn, I think their names are, about the rainbow fidget and the dice. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Well, I think those two are quite funny, given how the respective powers of technology and magic. Well, that's Gem and Dawn for you. If had those powers since since the 2010s. I see. Well, regardless, I think we better keep the rainbow fidget and the dice safe. You think? Well, of course. I mean, what's the point in the security if you're not gonna use it? Yeah, you're right, Cedric. Yeah. In any case, I better go and see if there's a few enemies there in case of any trouble. Yeah, good idea. Yeah. See you later, Cedric.